Okay, what's up, team? Trying something new? I'm gonna do a video walkthrough like this. Me talking of the Jack Jewett racetrack. Okay, so slightly new course this year because there is a building right here. There's a tiny dip here, but I think we'll be okay with that. It might be a little muddy on Saturday because it's supposed to get rain Friday, but I think it's gonna be all good and ready to go. So starts here. So like this is the road that goes down to Jack Jewett. Here's the track, obviously, and it starts in this corner. So the starting line's right here where the stars and this green is. And it goes out this way. So you start here, you go out this straightaway, and we're going to do one complete lap, okay? One complete lap. So you end here, and then we're going to do 4/5 or so of a lap again. So we're going counterclockwise, which is the only time we go counterclockwise on the track all race. Okay? Then come around here, and then we don't finish the loop, we go straight up the hill. And this is the only time we go up this hill. The other times we go down it. So remember that. So we go up this hill, hop on the grass, cut as close as we can to the softball media stand or whatever that is, scoreboard. Okay? And cut around that, and then cut straight to the corner of the softball field. And then we loop around the outside of the fence, and then at the scoreboard we take a right. And now the building's here, so we're going to go towards the building and stay inside the building. And then we loop around this softball field and go through the dugouts, and then you take a right at the end of the field, and now you're aiming to the left of the benches right here. Okay, the mile mark is right here. So this is the mile. This is the mile. And then you come back this way and you're staying on the outside of where you went before. Outside of the path before. Hop on the gravel road, and now we're going down the gravel road. So like I said before, the only time you go up the gravel road is the first time you go down the gravel road 3 times. Okay, you hop on the track, and now we're going clockwise around the track. Okay, and you don't do a full lap. Instead, you do about 4/5 of a lap again, and this time you pop up the dip. Okay, and this is a little worse footing now because they had to make an actual trench in it so the water flowed better, but I think it should be okay. So we pop up here, stay on the inside here, and then go out on the outside of the building. So the building's right here, so when you're going this way, you're on the inside, and this way, you're on the outside. Pop through the fence, then we do this loop again. So what does that mean? We go in around tight around the softball building, okay, towards the corner of the field, around the outside fence, turn right at the scoreboard, inside the building, through the dugouts on the outside here, okay, on the outside of the, okay, then down the gravel road, and then back on the track. Okay, right here is the 2-mile mark, right around here, okay. And you do 4/5 of a lap clockwise around the track again. And then we repeat one more time. One more loop like we just did. Pop up on the here, on the outside of the building, through the fence, okay, around the softball building on the inside there, corner of the field, around the outer fence, right at scoreboard, inside the building, through the dugout to the outside of the field. Okay, outside loop here, back down the gravel road, okay, counterclockwise, and this time we do a tiny bit more of a loop. So we go bam, bam, 3-mile marks actually around here, that's okay, bam, and it ends right here. So last year it ended here the way I measured it, but this year with the new turns and everything, it actually ended here, which is easier for me. So it ends right halfway through here, okay, and that's the finish. So basically what it is you do, once again, you start by doing counterclockwise a loop and 3/4, go up the field. And once you hit here, you're basically doing 3 loops. That is like boom, 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 boom. And you do it again. Boom, 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 boom. And then you do it again. Boom, boom, boom. And then you end. Okay? So that's the 5K. I love it. It's flat. It's kind of got lots of turns on it, so that makes it a little slower. But parents, you could stand here and see basically the whole thing and see your kid. I can't even count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. Countless times. And if you decide to move a little bit, you can see them 15, 20 times, which is so exciting. Okay? So this is Saturday. This is the JJRT racetrack. One of my favorite days of the year. Okay, let's have some fun.